Open it.
We have to open like this. It's my favorite present lunch.
Okay, open it. Daddy's gonna help you get it started.
I don't remember what it is.
Get it.
Let me see. You can't do it yet? It's still hard.
Ew.
Open it. See what's in there. Take it out. What is it?
Daddy. Come on, snow him. When you snow him.
You know
You
him?
know him? Who's that?
It's tiny.
Look at all the plastic.
Let me take it out.
Yeah, it's my favorite. Yeah, it's tiny.
Who's that?
Tiny.
Aww.
You got Tiggy?
Huh. That's my favorite type of animal.
Aww.
That's my favorite.
That's your favorite grandma got here. I am Grandma and Grandpa. Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
I can hide them.
No.
I can hide them.
Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Thank you. That's my favorite.
Let me see his face. Turn him around. I want to see his face.
Tiggy.
Aww.